Hello, everyone. Welcome to this beginner's guide on the Excel interface. Today, we're going to learn the basics: rows, columns, cells, and the ribbon, so you can feel confident navigating Excel. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Excel on your computer. You'll see a blank workbook with a grid layout. This grid is your spreadsheet, and it's where all the magic happens. Let's talk about rows. Rows are the horizontal lines you see in the spreadsheet. Look to the left side. You'll notice they're numbered, starting with 1 at the top and going down, like 2, 3, 4, and so on. Rows help you organize your data horizontally. Next, we have columns. Columns run vertically, and they're labeled with letters at the top. It starts with A, then B, C, and continues alphabetically. After Z, it moves to double letters like AA, AB, and beyond. Columns let you structure your data vertically. Now, where a row and a column meet, that's called a cell. For example, where row 1 and column A intersect, you get cell A1. Each cell has its own address, like B2 or C10, based on its column letter and row number. Cells are where you'll type your data, things like numbers, text, or even formulas. Let's move up to the top of the screen. That toolbar you see? That's the ribbon. The ribbon is split into tabs, like Home, Insert, Page Layout, Formulas, Data, Review, and View. Click on a tab and you'll see groups of commands. For instance, on the Home tab, you've got the Clipboard group, the Font group, and the Alignment group. The ribbon is your go-to spot for all the tools you'll need to format, calculate, and manage your spreadsheet. Here are a few quick tips to practice. To select a cell, just click it. Its border will light up. Want to resize a row or column? Hover over the edge of a row number or column letter until you see a double arrow, then drag it. And check out the Quick Access toolbar above the ribbon. It's got handy shortcuts like Save and Undo. Let's try a little exercise. Open Excel. Find row 5 and column D and click on cell D5. Then, head to the Home tab in the ribbon and look for the bold button in the font group. Easy, right? That's it for the basics. You now know rows, columns, cells, and the ribbon. With this foundation, you're ready to start exploring Excel. Thanks for joining me. Happy spreadsheeting!